So I've just had a low battery warning. As you can probably hear the beeping now, the drone has decided to return to home, and fair enough. And I'm going to cancel that so that I can fly home myself at a faster speed than the automatic return to home will allow. Now I am starting to worry a little bit here because I'm slightly changed direction and I'm flying into a headwind now, and I don't think I'm going to make it back, to be honest with you. So what I'll do is I'll look for an alternative. If I come down low, it may give me a bit more speed. Of course, if I come down too low, I'll lose connection. So I had headed towards the car there because I thought, well, I may land at the car and that way I can ensure to make it home. But I think I've got 16%. I think that's going to be enough to get me back to my home point. As long as I just don't, as long as I don't land in that water there. Meters, 10% power. This is touch and go. It's forced landing and I want to cancel that. Of course you can't. don't want to land in the water. So if I land as close to the wall, it's got this wee bush. If I land at this wee bush, which is 200 metres away, I can go up and get it. Right, let's get up and see if we can retrieve the drone up at that wee bush. And there it is. Okay. Whew. So, everything looks okay. 360 camera doesn't look damaged. Drone's not damaged. Everything's good in the end. So I'll just go to the wall and give a wee summary of what happened. Right, so that's okay. So that is episode 6, of the first season of Scotland's entire coastline from a drone's eye view. Wee bit heart thumping there at the end, as I realised that the drone wasn't going to make it all the way back because of the slight change in direction of the really strong wind. But I had contingency plans already, and on the walk down towards the coastline I had noted a few spots where I could drop the drone if necessary. And as you saw, the little bush there and the wall here gave me a fine point to drop the drone. I knew it would be fairly safe, and the 360 camera would be fairly safe because of the long grass here. I knew it would be safe to drop it down gently at the side of the bush there, and that's what I did. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now, it's really important, if you want this series to continue, that you give a thumbs up and you leave a comment in the video, because if you don't, the YouTube algorithm just won't push it out, and eventually the series will die for views. And if I don't get enough views to at least cover the cost of the fuel to get to the locations, then I'm going to have to stop doing it. So your help in this is really needed. Thumbs up and a comment at the very least. If you'd like to leave a wee super chat, that'd be even better, but don't feel obligated. So anyway, until season 1 episode 7, which will be the flight up Kirkcudbright Bay towards Kirkcudbright itself, taking in, I think it's St Mary's Isle. Cheerio the now.